You guys, welcome back. I'm making a super simple and classic Thai tabletop condiment, Prik Nam Pla. It's like our salt and pepper used to add that extra lift to all sorts of food like fried rice and eggs and so many other things. Chop chilies, garlic, and shallot into pieces like this. I like this very spicy, but if you don't, you can soak the chilies in some water for 10 minutes and drain that water. That will remove some of the heat but allow you to still enjoy the flavor of the chilies. I enjoy the heat, so I won't do that. To the chilies, add fresh lime juice first. This will help preserve the vibrant colors of the chilies. Let that sit for a minute. After a minute, add the garlic and shallots, fish sauce, and sugar to round out the flavors. This should be salty, spicy, and sour. Here we have it, Prik Nam Pla, a classic tabletop condiment to add to your dishes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.